Welcome everyone. How are you all today? I hope everyone is doing well. It's so good to have you on to watch me today. This is Miss Lena, of course, and I'm coming to you again on a blessed day. And I will be reading my scripture. It's coming from Proverbs 1:33. Whosoever hearken unto me shall dwell safely and shall be quiet from fear of evil. Proverbs 1:33. All right. I am come a light into the world. What I am come a light into the world, that whosoever believeth on me shall not abide in darkness. John 12:16. I am come a light into the world, that whosoever believeth on me shall not abide in darkness. John 12:46. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting ready to make one of my favorite chicken salads, and it's being made with canned chicken. And this is sometimes I buy them at um, Costco, but these came from Sam's.
Yeah, and it's a 12.5 ounce can, so it's pretty big. It's pretty big.
So
Pretty
I'm
big
using
can.
2 cans of the chicken. The white chicken breast is what it is. So I've already kind of strung it up and got it ready to go. So I will be putting in this chicken into this chicken breast. All right, I'm going to be using all these different things that I'm going to be putting in. I have Hellman mayonnaise, and I have Miracle Whip. I also have sweet radishes, and I have sweet peppers, bell peppers, and red onions all combined together. And I also have
5 eggs.
5 eggs, and I have the cream cheese mixed with 2 tablespoons of
Heavy cream.
heavy cream.
And that's 3 ounces of cream cheese.
Yes. So in there, I'm going to be putting in my ingredients, which is my granulated garlic and onion powder. This is the garlic powder. This is my onion powder. Okay. Now I'm going to be pouring in a bit of my, get me a spoon to roll this in. This is my sweet radishes, so that's about 1/4 of a cup. Okay. I may have to put more in if it's not the taste that I would like to have, but I'm starting with about 1/4 cup. And this is my Hellman mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. So I'm doing on this one, I'm doing what you call an extra load of mayonnaise. That's a leaping spoon of tablespoon of mayonnaise. So this is not the regular spoon, not the regular mayonnaise. Not the regular tablespoon. This is a heaping tablespoon. Okay. So now I'm also going to put a heaping tablespoon of Miracle Whip in. So that's another heaping spoon. So now I will be stirring this up. Oh yeah, let me add my cream cheese too while I'm stirring it, please. I'm going to add my cream cheese. All right, this is my cream cheese with a heavy cream. I try to go and combine it all together. I try to let it be just a room temperature, if possible. It may be just a little bit colder because our refrigerator really over freezes, so sometimes it may be a little bit colder. And it may not have. I've had it out for a little while. Okay, now I'm going to blend this together. You guys, this is really some good. This is some good. Let me check. You guys, this chicken salad is so tasty. I'd rather make this kind than to make the fresh chicken because it doesn't take too long. You don't have to worry about cooking the chicken. It's already done and it's all white meat. And it's very easy to do and it's very good if you want to do it in a hurry. And if you have extra guests coming in, it doesn't take long to make a nice big bowl of salad and add maybe something to it, you know. Maybe some baked beans if you like, if it's like that, and refried beans or whatever, you know. So it's so many ways we can do things in order to save time and even for your dinner. It depends on how many's in the family if you don't want to do a lot of cooking, but you can still do it this way also. And add, maybe open your can of string beans or something to have a green vegetable or make another big bowl of salad on that side. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of my peppers and stuff. And this is very delicious, you guys. And I have about 5 eggs here. They're about medium size. I'm going to put them all in at once. Now I'm going to put the rest of my peppers and onions in. This is a chicken salad that will really make your mouth water for some more. Even if you're full, you're still going to want some more because it's very, very good. And I used to love it this way. I still do, however. Sometimes I don't like to boil eggs and pick them, all that good stuff. But I still like chicken salad. And I like tuna, but I do like the chicken salad also. Sometimes I think I like chicken salad better. I don't know. Oh, wait, plastic spoon over there. Is that a plastic spoon in there?
Mm-mm.
I'm going to check and see if there's anything else needed. I'll put just a little bit more sweet radishes in it. A little bit more onion powder. I put about a tablespoon of sugar in there because usually sometimes the sweet radish is sweet enough, but this you have to give it just a little bit more flavor, and the sugar helps to give it a. Because I have it's quite a bit in the bowl. So sometimes if it's if you're just doing one can, it's okay. But I have like one can and about 5 eggs, so that makes a difference.
2 cans.
Oh, I mean two. I'm sorry, 2 cans and about 5 eggs. So this is really like enough for. Should be enough for about 8 people if they don't eat very much.
Enough for about 20 people.
Huh?
That might be enough for 20 people.
For 20. Well, if they, if you spread it around right, might be all right. But it just depends on who eats what and how much. It's quite a bit in here, so if you're just spreading it around to a few people, it's fine. Okay. I think I have the taste that I really want, so I don't want it. I don't want to put too much mayonnaise or salad dressing in here because if you let it sit, it'll get too watery. And I think I'm just about where I want to put it because if it stays overnight or something, it would be watery by in the morning. Okay, I'm putting just a little bit of white pepper. White pepper in it also.
Just like a sugar to them. This how it look, y'all. White pepper.
I don't even. Don't hear myself.
Y'all, if y'all don't want to use the canned chicken, you can always use chicken breasts or chicken thighs or whatever you want to use. And do it the same way.
This is just the canned chicken, so. And I'll hurry. I'm gonna hurry. I'm going to hurry. Okay. My final presentation of my chicken salad made out of canned chicken. So I hope you all will try this because it's very good. And I know you will enjoy it. You can try it with crackers or whatever. With crackers, or you can try it with bread or whatever. And just snap it on a little bit and do a little corner cuts in it. So I thank you so much, and I want y'all to enjoy it. And this is my final presentation of my wonderful chicken salad. It is very good.
Very, very good, y'all.
So just take it and try it. You'll enjoy it. Thank you. Be blessed, everyone, from Miss Lena's Kitchen. The wonderful, wonderful chicken salad for this end of the summer. And it will go into the fall. Tailgating for your football also. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye. With all my love.